are headed to the Restoration Hardware Rooftop Restaurant. We've never been here before. This is our first time. A lot of people are raving about it, saying the food is good. And this is new. I don't know if it's new anywhere else, but in Charlotte, this is new. We've always had the Restoration Hardware store, but the Rooftop Restaurant is new. So we're gonna go there and have some, I don't even know, we're eating dinner. You hungry?
I'm really hungry. Probably get some appetizers, a couple drinks.
Yeah, some drinks, of course. So we'll see what it's about. I'm gonna vlog, obviously, when I get in there. But I'm excited because I've never been. I've seen pictures of it, and the view is so pretty. Like, the whole situation is gorgeous. So I'm excited to see if it actually looks like what the pictures depict it to look like. And then I'm excited to try the food too. So I'll catch y'all when we get in the restaurant. And we're running late, so we're running about 30 minutes late. Because why are you laughing?
Just laughing.
Yeah. So you said, are we underdressed?
Yeah, the people at church go room.
They're not going to the restaurant.
What are you doing? We're here talking at these people restaurant. It's supposed to be like a. Yeah. But guess what?
What?
I don't care.
Can't come back.
I don't want to come back in the damn way. It's terrible.
It's a beautiful view. This is the rooftop outside, you guys. We just had dinner, I guess you would say dinner, on the inside. So now we're outside on the rooftop, hanging out. I'll tell you guys about our experience once we get in the car.
Nah, tell them nah. Tell them the truth.
You want to tell them now?
Yeah, tell them how terrible this shit is.
Oh my gosh, you guys. It wasn't terrible, but it just, the vibe when we walked in was just weird. Like, the ambience, the aesthetics of the place is beautiful. It's gorgeous. But I hate when things are overpriced. It's not even what they're making it out to be. It's nice. Like I said, the whole look is nice, but they don't have a lot of stuff on the menu, and it's just
Cool,
so
fast,
yeah. So I'm gonna title this Hit or Miss. The new Restoration Rooftop Hit or Miss.
It's definitely a miss.
It's definitely a miss, yeah. It's beautiful out here though. Like, it feels amazing. The vibe is good. It's just the restaurant part of it is just too upscaling for no reason. And I think it's the way that it is because of the area that we're in, the side of town that we're on. You know, and if you've been to a Restoration Hardware store, you know they're very upscale, very overpriced. Nice furniture, very overpriced. And it's exactly how the restaurant is. The way that the store is.
So that's why they had to make a restaurant.
is the way the restaurant is.
Overpriced ass furniture. Y'all better go to Value City and get y'all a couch.
Oh my gosh. This is more like a, and like Chad was saying, it's more like a brunchy, like girly type thing, and it is. But if you want to spend your coins, I wouldn't do it here. There's so many other places in Charlotte to have a good time, have a good ambience, and then they don't even sell liquor. They sell beer and wine. That's it. So couldn't even have a little cocktail. Right, couldn't have a cocktail. And like I said, it's nice if you want the look, but if you want to eat good and you want good drinks that are not overpriced, this is definitely a miss. But like I said, it wasn't awful, but it just wasn't what everybody's saying it is. Oh God. Oh, then when we got here, like I told you guys, we were late, and I did call and tell them we were going to be late. The lady on the phone told me that she would push our reservation back, which she did. When we got here, I explained to them that we're late, and the guy says, oh, well, because we didn't know anything and you guys are late, we canceled your reservation, but we're going to go ahead and seat you. If you're going to seat us, why would you cancel the reservation? Why would you tell me that you're canceling the reservation? That don't even make sense. So I think that threw it off from the very beginning, and then it was just downhill from there. So